All right, 2217 Bradmoor. Take this in. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to fly, but hey, it it still works. So there you go. And I give a shout out later on. But thank you to Sarah Rodek. She is the listing agent with Berkshire and gave me permission for this. So kept everybody safe, able to do this way because I don't think my clients have four-wheel drive. And in general, it's just... it's easier, but I digress. So here is the drone footage. You'll see that backyard. It's fenced in. It's flat. It is, and I know I say it in the interior video, this house is deceiving in a good way. It doesn't look like a big footprint on the outside, but when you get in there, it's quite large. And even the dining room, I think I said, look at this dining room. It's with the vaulted ceilings. You're going to have to see it, obviously, and the video should do it some justice. But there you go. That is the neighborhood spinning around. You can see a lot of Fairfax up there. I don't know if I got 202 in the shot, but I was happy to be able to fly. And here we are going right to the front door. Caught her sign in it, and I'll get you in right now. All right, 2217 Bradmoor Road. You can skate out here. This is incredible. So we're going to get you in. Just wanted to do the outside with the boots on, and definitely the listing agent, just so you can see, it's Sarah Rodek. Permission for this video was given, and she is the listing agent, just so you are fully aware. And this is crazy. So check this out. Not sure if we're going to be able to get some drone footage since it's raining ice, but let's do the outside. So all the way around, there's the AC unit. You see the outside brick. Oh, nice. Nice backyard. Essentially fenced in on two sides. Can't really tell you what's under there. You can look at the pics. I'm pretty sure that's the patio area. The snow changes a lot. And let's do the 360 and go through here. Wow, that's iced. Yeah. Wow. All right, we're gonna shut that. Okay, guys, girls, be safe. I believe that's a Japanese maple. Don't quote me on anything. They're very nice, in my personal opinion. So there's the outside. Spin you around slowly. Get a view of this street. There we go. Let's head on in. All right, and in we go. Boots are coming off. Hand sanitizer and the gloves at the ready. And take this in. As soon as I walk in, look at those high ceilings. That is great. Let me spin you around. And you know what? We're gonna start right there. All right, touching this corner. I had a little bit of ice on the lens. But again, big room as soon as you walk in. Nice little dining room. I don't mean little. It's just how it came out. But no, it's open. Definitely newer windows. And let's just kind of slowly take you around here so you can see. Remember, coat closet. Into the kitchen. All right. Actually, a true eat-in kitchen, by the way. Like that corner setup. Works nicely. 3 appliances are stainless. Electric cooktop. All right, and cabinets go all the way up, and you have the trim and recessed lighting. Nice. This, I'm assuming, is a pantry. And it is. Before we go downstairs, let's make sure this level is completely complete. And it is. Wow. I mean, outside, they don't look like they're, you know, they have a big footprint, but this house is large. So down we go. Oh, nice. And I'm 5'10", so plenty of clearance for the ceiling. It's probably some type of crawl space or access. I will double check. Don't want to speak out of turn here. Look at that. Cool. All right, and out here too, let me spin you around. One, to get a size of this, but also let you know, you walk right out to the back. So yes, you're in a basement area, but you're ground level. So that is nice. All right. Carrier unit, gas fed. Slowly spin around. Bradford white, also gas fed. Essentially industry standard. Nice. All right, gas line coming in. There's your gas meter. I'll back you up. Here's your laundry with a double sink. And that's going to be an electric dryer. Actually, it could be electric. But I think there's a gas line going to it. So somebody had an electric line here and they kept it. So again, always, always, always consult the disclosure when I send it to you. This video is just so you get a sense of it in person. All right. 1-car garage. Little work area here. And, oh wow. We gotta get some light on there. Look at that. I think you can probably pull that light chain and we'll see. Let's go for it. Nice. Excellent storage space. That's fantastic. I was not expecting that to be as large. All right, newer garage door. Okay. Let's continue. Hand sanitizer. Let's load up. All right. So we already saw this room. That takes you out to the back. Oh, wow. A large powder room. That's really big. Nice. All right, let's head up. So we completed the lower level, the main level, and now we're gonna head up. And by the way, this carpet, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, it's definitely newer carpet, very plush. Spent many years putting in carpet and flooring growing up, so they took care of this. All right, let me just spin you around. Wow, that's a nice view. All right, so over here we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a bath. So first one, you can see the hardwood floors. Looks more like an office space, but clearly a bedroom. Nice. Here's the bathroom. Black and white tile. Well, white tub, black tile. And pedestal sink. Yeah, nice, neat, and clean. And then, bedroom number 2. I believe that's a full bed. So you can see how everything fits together. Plenty of room, really good hardwoods. And I think, yeah, they have some cedar in there, I believe. So there we go. Windows, newer, vinyl, double clasp. All right. And I can only assume, but I'm pretty sure, hardwood's going to continue through there. So if you ever did want to take up the carpets, the hardwood should, do your own due diligence, but should be there. All right, and then bedroom number 3. Look at this. That's a king bed. Closet over there, bonus storage up there. And with the master, or primary I should say, comes the full bathroom. Look at that. So shower. There you go. Cool little trick too, when you check out some of these toilets, if you pull the lid, most of them are stamped with the date. So nice to know that. I had a pink one in the first house I ever bought, and finally replaced it. All right, just a linen closet. And you know what? That's the whole tour. So I don't know because of ice if I'm going to fly and show you the neighborhood, but take that in. Again, to me, deceivingly large. On the outside, it looks like it has a smaller footprint, but with these multiple levels, you really got a lot going on. All right, I'll leave you right there.